What are you doing, Evie?
Hey, look.
I know, looks like you, Daddy. You're kind of a picture?
Yeah.
Oh, you gonna give that to Dad, Granddaddy?
Hold on, Debbie.
Evie's like, I'm not waiting anymore. You having fun, Evie? You having fun?
Get a sign with both ready.
Daddy, I'll give you some wrapping. You can have the rest of the wrapping paper, okay?
What do you think? What are you doing? Oh, can I have that? Thank you.
Hi, are you gonna be my Christmas gift tonight?
Evie, come here. Look. That's Daddy's. That's Daddy's.
Abby, come here.
Evie, that's Daddy's.
That's not good.
Abby, come here. Look at this
Come here.
book.
Come here and go see Steph. Go see Steph.
Abby, I wanted to see that new book that you got, you little reindeer. It's a reindeer with these books. The Going to Bed book.
You take a picture? Send it to Abby?
Yeah.
Here, I'll get it. Oh my gosh. So you haven't figured that one out yet? See this?
Everybody goes below to take
No.
a bath with one big tub with soap all over it.
Hi, Evie.
And don't smile.
Up here. Evie. Hi.
Daddy, I really hope you like this. This is a special gift.
Here you go, princess.
Oh my goodness.
Not a staple paper.
I know, Dad, but you don't need to.
Where are you going, Evie?
No, paper gift.
Yes. They taking a hot minute over there.
I'm about figuring out how to save it.
That must have been
Really, hey, Willie. I like these guys.
I try to support them with that $4 paper right there.
Oh, everything got a number on it.
Trying to support the team.
Oh, what is this? Guy drinking milk.
Well, I know you like gadgets.
The guy drinking milk.
Daddy, can I help you?
Not gonna be.
Try to take it off.
Evie.
I got one for baby Evie in here. Oh my goodness.
Whoa, what is this?
Daddy, it's the newest thing on the market.
Eye arm.
Hey, Evie, that's funny.
Oh my goodness, he can put the remotes on his arm.
Oh, that is so cool.
Whoa.
Look at the guy in the back. On the back, he can drive down the street with his.
Really?
See what it actually looks like.
They-
That's cool. Oh, it's just...
Oh, a little Christmas note.
Oh, sorry, baby girl.
Merry Christmas, Daddy. Sorry this is late. Santa and Fred Smith will be delivering this to you just as soon as they can. You know what I mean?
Are you disappointed it's not an eye
Hey,
arm?
look right here.
Hey, Frank, you don't get too excited. You the real gives inside.
So do you understand this is a prank?
No.
Okay, we're hoping for a little bit more.
But it's actually, there's nothing else in there, Daddy.
Oh,
This is your
Daddy,
gift.
it's okay. I'm sorry. There's nothing else in there.
Oh,
This is
look.
actually your gift.
This
It's
one.
Mel's idea.
So let me tell you a little something, okay?
No, let's keep it.
Okay, we're gonna
quiet.
turn this off. No, not mommy. Look, oh, it's heavy. Good, of course. Give the horsey the carrot. Princess. Give the horsey. Do you want to eat it? Give it to the horsey. No? Give it to the horsey. Yeah.
Brush Horsey's hair. Oh, it's already shedding.
Does the horsey say anything?
I'm gonna get a haircut tonight. Right here.
Sweet Horsey.
Crying.
So quiet.
Oh, quiet. Nothing is.
Yeah. We wish you could walk, Horsey. That's okay.
Look at it. Ears.
What do you think, Evie? Let her pet it. Pet the horses.
Oh.
He's like, wait, you're not making noise.
Like this, Evie, watch.
Where's your basketball goes, Debbie? You got that already?
Where's the Jeep?
It's good that she's forgotten about the Jeep because that's an outdoor toy. Basketball is too.
Can you pet him? Pet the horsey like this. I can pet the nose. Right here. Sweet horsey.
Can you give the horsey a carrot?
You feed the horsey a carrot? Give him a carrot. Yeah, can you give him a carrot? Here you go. Can you give him the carrot? Evie, watch this. This is the carrot. He wants to eat it. Nom, 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 nom. Can you give him the carrot? That's right.
Yeah.
Good job.
I like to eat the carrot. Now we have the clip notes of that name.
Evie.
Hey, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Look at this thing.
Look at her. You're so cute. You're gonna pop.
This goes in my mouth, not your mouth.
I'll be your man.
Those princesses being massaged.
Massaged.
Thank you for
Oh
sharing.
my goodness.
I need to brush my teeth, what you're telling me?
There's not enough stuff laying around here.